Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. Today our group will explain our mini project OOP. The main purpose of this system is to help user record, organize and calculate her daily expense efficiently. So the project apply all object-oriented programming. So we use inheritance and method overriding, abstraction, encapsulation, control and selection statement. So my name is Afifah binti Muhammad. My matrix number is 21DIT24F1046. So this is our question. This mini we must this is the output will come out like this. So for our first question, we use abstract class and encapsulation. We apply abstraction by calling an abstract class named expense that defines a common structure for all expenses. This helps generalize share behavior while hiding implementation details. So our abstract class, we use abstract class expense, we use abstract string. So this is we use abstract class and encapsulation. Next, my friend will explain.
Assalamualaikum, nama saya Afiqah dan Alina. So first, second is interface requirement. So public interface displayable, public void display info ni dia make your expense class implement the interface lah. And then next is food expense, inheritance and method overriding. Expense is the apparent abstract class, food expense, transport expense, other expense extended. And then we use extend keyword to create subclass. Method overriding. Expense require abstract get type and subclass override it to return their type string. For example, food. Then display info is implemented in each subclass. This demonstrates polymorphism. The program calls display info on expense, reference and JVMs run subclass implementation. That's all. My friend will explain the next one.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Syaza binti Muhammad. So I will continue to explain about transport expense. So transport expense is the public class transport expense by to explain the implement of displayable. So public transport expense, we use the super to call the parent constructor, and then have date and amount, and then we use the overriding method to public string and like get type and then return the transport. And then for the last in the transport expense, we use overriding method to display info when it's required the display info. It display the interface, so the output will get exactly like the example in the report. Now I will explain the main part of the system, the expense tracker menu. So at the top, I import scanner and array list. So array list is used to store multiple expense object dynamically. So as you can see, this is scanner input. So we apply this at the Java, and then this is show the data handling using array list. So it's allow us to add and display and calculate the expense easily.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nadiah binti Azmi. I will continue the part of my code that handle adding a new expense. Here the coding. First, First, I ask the user to enter the date, and choose the expense type, and enter the amount, and then the use of scanner to gather user input. Next, I use if-else selection structure to determine which object to create. And then I add the object into the array list. This is the coding. This show data handling using array list, where each new object is stored for data display. For case 2 is display all expense. This is the section for displaying the full expense list. This is the coding. For case 3 is display total expense. This part calculate the total expense. Okay. For case 4, exit program. This cleanly end the loop for all of this coding. For the last is exception handling. In my code, everything is wrapped inside a try-catch block. This coding prevents the program from crashing when the user enters invalid input. This is the output that we get after run the coding. In conclusion, our project successfully applied key OOP concepts such as inheritance, abstraction, encapsulation, and method overriding. We also use control structure, loops, array lists for data handling, and exception handling. The system works smoothly and meets all requirements. That's all for our team.